So this is week 79 Wednesday, and number one says, what is the smallest value of the slope of the line that goes through the origin and is tangent to a circle of radius 4 square root 10 over 5? The center of the circle is at 2, -2. Express your answer as a common fraction. So for this question, we'll need a formula that involves like the line equation. Let's say we have a line with equation ax plus by plus c equals 0. So then a distance from a point to that line would be, so d equals to absolute value of ax plus by plus c over square root a squared plus b squared. And so x and y are the coordinates of that point that you want to find the distance to. And so, yeah. So basically, like continue with the problem, we have that you draw a coordinate grid here, and then 2, -2, that's about down here. And it passes through here. Well, it doesn't pass through the origin, but it passes through like the axes and stuff like that. And then we want a smallest line. So that's going to be the smallest line because the other smallest, other tangent line would be here, and it's way bigger. And we want the smallest, so this will be our line. And so, since this is 2, -2, let's say that our equation of the line would be y equals kx. This can also be written as kx minus y. So um to find the thing, the distance, to find the point, my bad. We have to find k. And so if we just input the formula into here and this equals 0. And so if we input the formula into this, if we input these values into the formula, my bad, then we get d equals to 2k 2k minus plus 2 over square root of 1 plus k squared. And like, because we're doing this like distance from the center this to this line, and we know that the radius is just the distance, then this equals to 4 root 10 over 5. And so because we know the slope is positive, then this part is positive, and square roots are always positive, so this part's also positive. So we can just remove this absolute value here, and we can multiply by this on both sides. We get k plus 2 equals to square root 1 plus k squared times 4 root 10 over 5. We square both sides, and we get 4k squared plus 8k plus 4 equals to 1 plus k squared times 40 over 25. And we can divide this, so it's k squared plus, oh, k squared plus 2k plus 1 equals 2 over 5 plus 2 over 5k squared, and 3 over 5k squared plus 2k plus 3 over 5 equals 0. And so if you just solve this equation, it should, yeah, if you solve this equation, then it'll give you, oh shoot, I'm sorry. This is actually 160 over 425. And so if we just like multiply everything here by 8, subtract again, minus 3 over 5 k squared plus 2k minus 3 over 5. Yeah. And this equals 0. So if we just solve this, we can get like multiply this by 5, get negative 3k squared plus 10k minus 3 equals 0. And if you just solve this, then you get k equals 3 or 1 over 3. And 3 is referring to this bigger slope over here. So that means that 1 over 3 is the answer because we want the smaller one. So the answer is 1 over 3. 3, yeah, okay.